I want to ask you a quick question. It's 2023. We're about a third of the way through the entire year. My question to you is this. Have you accomplished your primary goal this year? Have you accomplished your resolutions? I know a lot of people, every time December comes around, they like to have these New Year resolutions. They set these big, lofty, ambitious goals. And I think it's good to set ambitious goals. But the issue I tend to find with a lot of people is that they set the goal and they're sort of optimistic about the future. They're optimistic that this year will be a different year. It'll be the year that they finally get what they want. The year that they finally make some progress and start to achieve the things they want in life. But like every other year before it, time goes by and nothing happens. They don't accomplish anything. They don't even make any progress, not even a little bit. And so their optimism starts to fade. And over time, each year, as their optimism fades, they end up becoming what I call mediocre. And they lose their ambition, and they lose their drive, and they lose even the will and their goals and dreams. All of that just gets thrown out the window because they've lost so many times throughout so many years over and over and over again that I think deep down in their subconscious, they kind of think it's pointless. They think it's worthless. So they give up. Now, there's one word that I learned several years ago, almost about a decade ago actually, that to me is a super powerful word that I would like to credit as being a huge game changer for me in my entire life. I've said this word many times before. If you've read any of my books or watched any of my other videos or blogs or whatever, any other content I put out, this word is eudaimonia. And ultimately what eudaimonia means, it's the good life, the fulfilled life, the flourishing life. It's like ancient Greek philosophy. To me, by simply understanding this word and what it embodies, you are far better off than most people, because the reality is that most people stay mediocre. Most people lose their drive, or they never had any drive to begin with. Most people stay the same. Most people don't want to progress, and most people will never ever actually progress. But by simply knowing that word and understanding exactly what it means, you can be one of the few people that do progress and that do succeed and that do grow and that do change and ultimately get what you want in life, or at least come close to it. You probably can't get everything you want in life because some people have super over the top goals and dreams that might be a bit unrealistic, but it doesn't hurt to still try and achieve those dreams and at least get close, right? So if you're interested in learning more, this Thursday, if you're watching this video, this upcoming Thursday at 6:30 p.m., I'm doing a live training. It's free. It's completely free, live training. I'm going to go over eudaimonia. I'm going to go over exactly what that means, exactly what that entails, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use eudaimonia to your advantage, step by step. It's a live training. It's going to be about 2.5 hours, and there's a 30-minute Q&A afterwards. I'm going to go through it with you live. I'm going to show you exactly what I've learned over about 10 years that'll help you get from where you are now to where you want to be in the future. So if you're interested, click the link below or up in my description somewhere. It's going to be somewhere. And I'll see you this Thursday. Peace out.